Hello guys, my name is Freddy Pagarigan from INF 248 in National University of Manila. In this symbol, you provide appears to combine geometric and symmetric mathematics symbolism and visual abstraction in might have inspired by concepts such as balance, flux, and dynamic proportionality. In this shape, like diamond shape, the diamond is the symbol of balance, structure, and stability. That is also known for symmetry and geometric precision in mathematics. Yung sa central twisting lines, the lines of twisting of love, in the middle, purpose a dynamic flowing and transforming ideas. Them might symbolize proportionality, flux, or continuous exchange that a lot is in physics or system modeling. Yung sa outer end axis, the dot and solid lines that appear on the inside and right side may be important as they represent the coordinates, the orbits or particles, which means are the instrument of drawing ions in different directions. The figure is 0, 2, and -2, thus indicate the axis and quite possibly corresponding of Cartesian over states of equilibrium. Yung small carrot and shape object, even modest in this interpretation, it can stand for meaning of a power or a symbol of a function exponent or a direction of an arrow that represent mathematically a height change. The symbol may be named for proportional flux, which means, concept dynamic changes being in balance in the system like blood flow or energy by transfer by physics. X shows balance transformation and multidimensional or interaction. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.